Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download in PDF or PNG or share it via link a text that ChatGPT generate for you. Okay, so we are going to start. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to do something for me. I'm going to say how to download a PDF file, and then press enter. Okay, still generating the text. So when it's done, maybe you want to download this text. You don't have to copy it, but you want to download it in PDF, okay, or PNG, or you want to share the link. What you're gonna have to do, you look on the left corner here, you click share a export. Okay, you can download it on PDF, PNG, or export MD, or share a link. Okay, let's say we want to download it in PDF. I'm gonna click here. As you can see, it's done downloading it. I'm going to open it. As you can see here, this is what I asked ChatGPT, how to download a PDF file, and then I got it. If I want to download it on PNG, click PNG, and this is what I got. Okay, if I want to share it via link, and this is the link, just copy it and then send to someone. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.